Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's important video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix 100% CPU usage and might as well boost your FPS for a best gaming and browsing experience. Okay, let's start. First is you need to search for device manager. How? Just simply locate your cursor here in the Windows icon, do a right click and then scroll up to locate device manager. Once you open your device manager, just simply maximize it to expand and then look for system devices. Here you need to select anything and click anything, then type on H in your keyboard and look for high precision event timer here. So once you find this, just do a right click and disable device. Okay? So after that, the next one is you need to go to run. How? Just simply press the Windows and R key together and then type for regedit. Regedit and then click on OK. And then your user control will ask you to allow this app to make changes. Just click on yes. And here you need to follow this computer key. Just find H key here, H key local machine. And then once you found it, just go for system and then control set and then go for services and go for HD add service. Okay. So once you have located all of those, you will be redirected here. Just simply click on start and then do a right click and then go to modify. Okay? After that, you need to go for run again. Just simply do Windows and R key together and then type for CMD and then click on OK. And this black window will open. Okay? Here you need to type for SFC all in lowercase space / scan now and then click on OK or enter to continue and let's type again, enter. Okay, it says here you must be in administrator running a console. Okay, let's close this and just simply search CMD here at the bottom search bar. It requires to run as administrator, so let's click on run as administrator and then your user control will ask you to allow. Just simply click on yes and it reappears here the block window. Just type SFC space / scan now and then enter and your system will scan and the windows will be reset or restarted and this process will take some time, so it will take 7 to 10 minutes, okay, depending on your machine or your computer. So once the verification is completed, then you just have to restart your computer. Okay, so let me close this. And the last step, last important step is you need to search for power here and then go to this edit power plan and you will be redirected to this new window. Here you need to click on change advanced power settings and here you need to select either Acer balance and high performance. So once you click balance, I'm sorry for that, just have to I mean high performance will appear here. So just have to select that and then click on apply and then OK. Okay? So once done, you need to restart your computer and now you're good to go. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.